Welcome back. In this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing process of the Huawei Band 9. So, all I need to do is simply open this seal. And then I can just open the box. So, the first thing that you see, or the first thing that you get when you open the box, is this smaller box. And then at the top, you have the Band 9. And then you also have this bottom section down here. So all you need to do is simply open this section. And then inside this smaller box, you have charging cable. You also have a warranty card and a user manual. So that's everything that's inside this smaller box. So from here, this is the Huawei Band 9. So you can just remove this plastic. And this is how it looks like. So this is the black version, or according to Huawei, the starry black version. It also has its own band that comes with it, and that's just how it looks like. So stick around for more videos. I'll be doing more how-to videos for the Huawei Band 9.